Good evening, everybody. My name is Jamie with Southern Breakers. Today is Sunday, September 16th, 9:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we are getting ready to do our eBay Mixer number 186. Hope everybody has had a good weekend. Getting ready for the week. Alright, well, apparently didn't learn my lesson last time. This is hard to take off with gloves on. Everybody enjoying football now that it is back on. My team almost lost to the Browns, so there was that. Alrighty. Let's do this. (2015) Prism Draft Picks. Cards go to the team that they currently play for. Currently, as of when we look at the list tonight, or when we look at their current teams tonight, that's who they go to. For the hits, if the player is free agent, undrafted, or plays for the CFL, we do randomize those. Alrighty. Alrighty, base. Sammy Watkins, Prism. Levi Norwood and Jackson Shipley, rookie. TJ Yeldon, rookie, Prism. Najee McKinney, Malcolm Brown, rookie. Eddie Goldman and Funches, rookie. Die cut is Cameron Artis Payne. O. Wallace, rookie. Marcus Golden, rookie. Base. Melvin Gordon, Nate Orchard rookie. Brandon Marshall Prism. Talinki and J rookie. Sammy Coates Prism. Blake Sims, we're now all rookies. Team Trademarks, Jameis Winston, Shane Carden, Sean Mannion, rookie. Sharp Harriman, Stained Glass Insert, Drez Anderson, Tevin Coleman, rookie, base. Leo Jones, Prism. Corey Grant, Taylor Kelly, rookie. Mari Cooper, Preston Smith, rookies. Shane Ray, die cut. Demonte Davis, Danny Shelton, rookies. And our hits are Eric Kendricks, camo, rookie. He is going to the Vikings. 114 of 199. And tie-dye, Matt Forte. This one is 27 of 49. Going to the Bears. And we have blue auto, David Cobb. Last I checked. I don't think he has a team, but we'll check again. 59 of 75. Yep, unsigned free agents, what I thought. And we have tie-dye auto, Josh Harper. 41 of 49. I wonder if he goes in the same... Yep, he does. Goes right on the Daily Cup. So those are both free agents, so we will randomize those at the end. Alrighty, let's see. These are all our base. Etched in Time is Raymond Berry and Odell Beckham Craftsman. Green Rookies, Shaq Conklin and Carson Wentz, and a green Joe Montana. Let's leave up that rookie Wentz. And auto is for the Chiefs, Kevin Hogan. Rookie auto for the Chiefs. I wonder if he's still there. Alrighty, so let's do, I'm going to do Classics. 2018 Classics first. 2018 Classics. Ooh, right off the bat, didn't even do that. Anyway, it is Maurice Hurst, rookie auto. 167 of 199. Maurice Hurst is going to the Raiders. Rich Gannon Composers. Alan Lazard, rookie. MJ Stewart. This one is 282 of 299. Rookie. High praise. Joe Montana. Denzel Ward, rookie. Broncos championship sticker. Clashes, Rodgers and Stafford. Rookie. I still don't know how to say his name. Kurt Benkert, Opti Chrome. That one is not numbered. Composers, Big Ben. John Kelly, rookie. Big Ben for the Steelers, 117 of 299. Full throttle, Ray Lewis. Dante Pettis, rookie. Eras is Eric Dickerson and Todd Gurley for the Rams. Bradley Chubb, rookie. Troy Aikman Composers. This one is 18 of 99 for the Cowboys. And for the Packers, Devontae Adams Timeless Tributes. This one is 18 of 25. 18 of 25. Looks like that's one off his jersey number. Eras, Steve Largent and Doug Baldwin. Daniel, rookie. And base. Optichrome is Odell. Matt Stafford Composers. Ronald Jones, rookie. Cowboys champion sticker. Clashes is Tom Brady, Big Ben. Mike White, rookie. Optichrome, John Elway. Composers, Jim Kelly. Fred Warner, rookie. Full throttle is Richard Sherman. Dallas, go to that rookie. Gilbert Brown for the Packers. This one is 120 of 299. I totally do, Andy. I mean, it would be such a stab in the dark that I think it would be offensive if I tried to say that guy's name. I really do. DJ Moore rookie. I wouldn't mind learning how to say it, though. Byron Urlacher. High praise. Bryce. Popo rookie. Arrows. Jim Plunkett. Derek Carr. Jones Samuels rookie. And base. Alright, our hits remaining are John Kelly rookie. This one is 88 of 99. Third. Richard, this is the third one. We're just ending 2018 Classics. Sam Darnold. This one is the Gold Opti Chrome. Timeless Tribute. 61 of 65. I don't know how he's going to do this year for the Jets. It seemed like he sort of maybe was getting there and then maybe wasn't. Let's see. And for the Chiefs, Tyreek Hill and Kareem Hunt. Solid color and solid color. Those are not numbered. Alright, so we are going to do 2017 unparalleled. Derek Wolf for the Broncos. 195 of 199. Perfect pairs, Ajayi and Landry. Carson Palmer for the Cardinals. 3 of 25. I do believe his jersey number is 3 as well. So that would be of his jersey number, if that is in fact right. That's what it looks like. Second year, Will Fuller. Tre'Davious White for the Bills. $21 of $2.99. Amari Cooper, High Flyers. Charles Harris, 46 of 149 for the Dolphins. We got points. 150 points. So we'll go ahead and put that to the side. Star Factor, Priest Holmes. Gerard Evans for the Eagles. 463 of 499. Jake from State Farm. For the Rams, 49 of 199. High Flyers, Doug Baldwin. Brad, Kaya, this is for the Lions. This one is 51 of 99. Zoned in, Derek Carr. Taco Charlton. For the Cowboys, 187 of 199. Base. Drew Brees, Star Factor. Not recently, not today, not last week, but whatever. I think Breeze has lost his Star Factor. High Flyers, Randy Moss. This one is for the Patriots, 160 of 199. And we have Derek Rivers for the Patriots. 283 of 499. Let me just double check. I didn't miss any numbered cards. Nope. All good. Alrighty, for the Titans, Corey Davis, solid color patch. 60 of 199. And for the Ravens, Chris Wormley auto. 49 of 49. So eBay 1 of 1. Alright, we have 2018 unparalleled. Let's see if we can't find us some good autos in here. Khalil Mack. Let's see, 38 of 100 for the Raiders. Dante Jackson for the Panthers. Rookie. This one is 166 of 200. Victorious. Kenny Galladay. Ricky Focus. Bradley Chubb. For the Broncos, 77 of 100. Mike Gesicki for the Dolphins, 115 of 150. Bright Futures, Amari Cooper. Doug Baldwin, High Flyers for the Seahawks, 68 of 200. Pioneers, Mike Singletary. What is this one? Jordan Lasley for the Ravens. I'm not familiar with this design, so we'll see what this one's numbered to. 2 of 5. That would be why I'm not familiar with that one. 2 of 5 going to the Ravens. That's a pretty cool design right there. It's a nice short print. Rookie Focus, Josh Allen. Alvin Kamara for the Saints, 62 of 150. Chris Thompson for the Redskins. This one is 63 of 200. High Flyers, Keenan Allen, and base. Alrighty, Rookie Focus for the Steelers, Mason Rudolph, solid color patch. Not numbered. Luke Falk for the Titans, rookie auto. Not numbered. And for the Broncos, Deshaun Hamilton, that is patch and auto, 3-color patch. This one is numbered, let's see, 32 of 75. A lot of these autos and patches are not numbered in 2018, so we got a numbered one then. Pretty good. Alrighty, so what we do with Playbook and Origins, I'm going to do a quick peek, and we'll open I guess we'll do this one first. Alright, so Playbook. We have Stephon Diggs, 57 of 199 for the Vikings. For the Texans, Braxton Miller, 123 of 199, solid color. That is Mammoth Materials. And our book is Josh Doxson. So the book is going to the Redskins. That is solid color and solid color with an auto. 76 of 199. Alrighty, base. we have for the Broncos, Demarius Thomas, 70 of 175. For the Giants, Landon Collins, 43 of 299. Alrighty, we have Future Fabrics for the Titans, Corey Davis, solid color patch. 24 of 25. 24 of 25. And for the Broncos, Cortland Sutton auto. Cortland Sutton auto. This one is not numbered. And finally, for the Dolphins, Kalen Ballage. That is rookie patch auto. And that is just barely a 2-color patch. And it is not numbered. So Origins, not crazy with the numbers either. Alright. That's pretty much it for that, but we do have some other business to tend to. First off, we have this. We have these three, which are going to be randomized. So the points are going to be first. Points first. The Josh Harper auto second, and David Cobb auto third place. So that's that. But first we have the clashes. We're gonna roll the dice. Even is left, odd is right. Even is left, odd is right. Alright. So we have 3. So it is going to the right. Steelers, Lions. Otherwise, for these, let's go ahead and get this done. I'm going to roll the dice. Whatever number I get, that's the number of times I'll randomize team names. And team spots 1, 2, and 3 will get these items. So, best of luck with that. Oh, it's a 1. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 to that. So, we're going to do that 4 times. We're going to do it 4 times. Alrighty. Alrighty. So we have Saints with the points. We have Chargers getting the Josh Harper auto, and Giants getting the David Cobb auto. Alrighty, so that was Saints, Chargers, and Giants. Quick recap. We have for the Titans, Corey Davis. For the Texans, Miller. Rudolph for the Steelers. Corey Davis for the Titans. And for the Chiefs, we had Tyreek Hill and Kareem Hunt. RPA Ballage for the Dolphins. Broncos Sutton auto. Broncos Hamilton auto. Fault for the Titans. Ravens Wormley auto. Maurice Hurst auto. And Hogan for the Chiefs auto. And of course the book for the Redskins of $1.99. Thanks, Andy. See you next week. Alright, everybody, that is all, and we will see you next week. We will see you next week, hopefully on Wednesday. Have a good night, everybody.